Now welcome to my channel. For this video I want to show us how we go to enter credit card charges. So what will be credit card? Credit card just be like when company they get companies where they give you access to loan in a way we say you go fit spend from you go just spend like now you get the money, but maybe you get the money. Definitely you go pay back and you go pay with interest. So but how you go to enter this transactions where they carry out with this credit card? Now I want to show us for using this QuickBooks Desktop. So first of all, we get two places where we use access and first of all, if you go to banking, then you go see what they call enter credit card charges, and you can also come to this other place where you go see under banking section, you click enter credit card charges. Now once you click on it, you will carry come this window, they call them enter credit card charges window. Now from this place you go get option to select the credit card where you get. So for here we get like two credit card. We get QuickBooks credit card, we get Cal Oil credit card. If the credit card way you want use not there, if you click on add new, so once you add new, you go carry go where if you create your credit card. So you see as you click on this drop down, you see option for credit card. If you enter the credit card company name or anyhow you want to identify the credit card, then you put the number and then the credit card number if you get number. Then if you now open the balance, if you get any balance we don't do as when you want to use this software now, you go enter the balance. But if it be zero, you can just leave it. But for now I just want to show us how we enter the charges. So now if you look at this place, you get two options. You get one option for purchase purchase and charges, and you get another option for refund. So motor say something happen after you go buy something with this credit card, they can maybe the transaction no go through, they can refund you. If you use this refund credit to use record them. But in this case what we talk, we say we won't record the purchase, the charges. Maybe you use and buy office supply or use and incur one or two expenses for your own personal. It depends if na company credit card or if na personal credit card wey you they use run your own life on a day-to-day basis. Then on some time you come pay back based on the agreement. Now which company you purchase it from, you will enter purchase from. So let's say we purchase them from H Limited. Now one thing with this thing is say why would they select who we purchase them from? Be say they assist us to we fit generate a report, we fit see the report of wetin and wetin we don't buy from a particular vendor. So the thing if you actually allow you go ahead without selecting any vendor, anybody will buy them from, if you go ahead. But I always recommend say make we select them so that we fit generate a report to be say we fit see wetin and wetin you don't do, which transaction you don't do, you don't incur with a particular vendor. Now for the date here, let's more enter today now 20th of October. So if you use 2025 20th of October, okay, so like this. Then if you get any reference number so you want to use attach and to if you put on there, then okay. So if na expense, normal expenses, you go to expense tab. If na say na inventory item, maybe for your company now you buy, you put the inventory item. Okay, you see companies they also get credit card. Okay, that is your business. So let's see what you happen. We say now fuel use and buy, and then that fuel, let's say now see the balance we'll get. This is $94 in a way, so we might just say now $5. Now we'll use buy them. Then if you enter some description, say okay now fuel use and buy you, then like that, then you click on there, save and close. Now what thing will happen now? We say this thing will create account payable for you. Account payable for you, account may say it go tell you say you dey owe that company that amount. How I want to see am, we'll go to record, then we'll go to company and financial, then go to balance sheet. Now inside balance sheet we will see who and who they owe. Then if you come down to account payable, that is under liability, you come down to account payable, you see we get QuickBooks credit card of 94.2. We are looking at so from here you go see and say we'll get credit card, QuickBooks credit card of 94.2. it dey show under liability. So normally when you even create the credit card self initially self, it automatically don't go where it show say see the people you dey owe. So once you double click on this one, they show for you now, go carry us go the detail, go fit see wetin and wetin this dey inside this 94.2. Now remember I said the date we use now 2025, so I'll just delete this one, put 2025 for here, come click on refresh. Now you see we don't get the record of the $5 we spend for this company. Now if you also go to report profit and loss, this is say it dey show say we get expense we don incur for that particular fuel. Okay, as I refresh am now, we'll look for fuel. See am here. So if you double click on fuel, okay, now because of the date, so make I change this date to 10/2025. Okay, so make I refresh. So you see na only fuel now we incur. Now remember how I tell you say make we select the vendor, it is very very important. Make I carry us go vendor center. Then you go see wetin I tell explain give us the other time. So see the comp na be this first person. Now if I click on this fiscal year, okay, if I right click on this person now, I go to what they call quick report. Quick report will carry me go where I go see everything pertaining the vendor, what I don't do with the vendor. So make I adjust the date just like what we do before. This one will be October, then this one 2025. Refresh am. See that 5 don dey show for here. So now how you go to enter credit card charges using QuickBooks Desktop? This.